Hi guys, and welcome to my today's video where I am going to be showing you guys 5 to 6 home photography ideas as promised in my last video. If you haven't checked that one out, I will leave it in the description box down below. It was also about photography, so you will highly enjoy it if you enjoyed this one. So let's get into the first idea. So for my first photo shoot idea, I'll be using this simple plain background. So this is my normal YouTube video shooting place. And let's see my outfit. So this is what I'm wearing. Let me make it very simple. So let's get into the photo shooting part. Okay, so the next idea is going to be collages. So I'm going to do selfies. You can also do self-portraits. So let's begin. So my next photo idea is going to be on my bed, so let me show you guys how it looks right now. So this is the area where I'm going to take the picture. So I am using the back side of my blanket. So the front side is also really nice, but I think I'm going to be using this back side because it's wide, and you know people like that wide backdrop. And also I'll be using some newspapers. So without talking, let's get into the video idea. And also you guys can use better newspapers. I think the colors of this one will really come out nice on the picture. It will look really bright, but you can also go for those glamour magazines or any other kind of newspaper depending upon the vibe you are going for. So let's get into the shoot. So for the next idea, you need a laptop and you need to click a normal mirror selfie, but this time using your laptop. So the next idea is going to be using a book. You can use any book you want to, any spare books that you have. So let's begin with the photo shoot. Have to take a picture of yourself. You can also just create any picture using the books or pages, and let me give you some ideas. That's all for today's video. I do not have a proper outro as we can all see, but I really hope that you guys enjoyed these. So if you guys enjoy videos like these, then I have a bunch of other videos similar to this one which I'm sure you guys will enjoy. And you can also follow me on my Instagram if you want to. I have some cool pictures out there, at least that's what I think. And if you enjoy these, like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment down something nice below, or if I should make more of these, because if you guys enjoyed this, then I will definitely make more of these. And that's all. I will see you in my next one. Bye.